and we're doing a video. So today we're doing
DIY makeup.
So she's going to do her normal makeup, and
Like
I'm going to do
products.
DIY. Do it, I guess.
Well, to see if your eyes fell shut or not. It'll be fun.
So, lotion.
Ooh.
Hold that.
Okay, wait, I'll move my stuff out of the way. Oh my god, I was gonna bring a mirror because I'm freaking blind. This is the brown powder, so you need the cocoa powder?
This with the lotion.
It's gonna be really dark. You're really pale.
I don't want to make too much because I'm scared for my life.
I'll use...
Oh my word, that's so disgusting.
I think this is what I used to use for foundation. I don't use foundation anymore.
I need something to stir it with. I'm an idiot. I'm gonna destroy it.
Wait, I'll wait to do mine
chunky.
until you see it. Look at the chunks. Wow, just your color.
Should I add some coconut oil to it?
Maybe.
Should we just get crafty?
Yeah,
We're crafty.
We'll make our
Here,
own recipe.
Moisturizer. Let's put some moisturizer in.
Oh my god, I freaking hate foundation. Wait, I can't see.
Okay, this one.
We're both gonna look bad because I'm doing it where I can't see.
Who looks worse, me or Grace?
One using DIY makeup, one just completely blind.
So we've got some old lipstick that broke, so I can't use it anymore. Got that. We were gonna get some coconut oil and mix that together.
Oh my god.
This is a kid-friendly channel. Subscribe.
I don't know how to contour.
I think.
Hey Siri, how do you contour?
Okay, I found something on the web for how do you contour.
Good thing I don't use this freaking eyeshadow.
Okay, here we go.
I think that's enough.
Yeah. Wait, I'm confused. These people are using not powder contours. They're using a stick one.
Oh, it's the same.
So I'll let you do it first, and then I'll try it. Well, here's our contouring thing. So
I don't have to do my upper thing.
your forehead.
I mean, right now we just realized that Grace's eyebrow literally came off of her face in that shot. So, yeah.
It looks like a face mask.
Oh my god, there's a bug! Oh my god.
Oh my god, get it off. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream. Oh my god, if it flies. There. I should contour. Ooh, I scratched myself while contouring my chin. You look just dirty. You look like you went out and rolled around in some mud. Well, I'll get started on mine, I guess, while you make yours. Just because I feel like mine will take longer.
Can't use that. I don't want to. Oh!
What'd you do?
I don't want to dump this all over the table. Dumps it all over the table.
Oops.
Alright. Ugh. That did not feel good. Wow.
What was the point of this video?
Well, we were gonna do 5-minute crafts. And then I was like, oh, we should do, like, makeup. Like, test, like, their beauty DIYs. And then you're like, oh, we could do a whole video of DIY makeup, like a full face of DIY makeup. So that's what we're doing.
Because that video can't really see the true extent.
Oh no, okay. I watched the video on this one, don't remember it, so we're just gonna crush up some Oreo cookies and put some coconut oil in it. Oh, we have to take apart the cookie part with the... I'm gonna look it.
Okay.
It's going in my eye, so like, what do I care? Okay. There's no difference, guys. They look the same. But we can start boiling the lipstick while it's in the fridge.
Okay. Did my highlight. We're good. The only thing that I hate is, like, I can tell on my nose that I tried to do contouring. Doesn't look very good.
Clean me up some alcohol.
How much?
I don't know, not very much.
Like a drip? Two.
That's good. I'm gonna put some lotion in here.
Like, normally I set my face after I do stuff, and, like, I was feeling more.
Oh, this doesn't look bad. Right? Okay. This smells terrible.
Let's find some demons.
I hope I don't ruin the pot.
I don't think you will.
I ruined the pot.
I need to melt it so I can.
Take two. Oh, you can use that one. That one doesn't work.
Your poor brushes.
I'll wash them. I think it's a bit blue.
Yeah.
The lipstick didn't turn out bad. It really provides a contrast with the rest of my face.
Sorry.
There's like a close up right here. Oh, I just got out my teeth.
Another thumbnail option. Wait, I'm sure.
So this is what we look like. DIY versus regular. Comment down below who you think looks better. Obviously, it's her because I'm
I think you look better.
Yeah,
I think
so
it's great.
do not recommend doing any of these DIYs.
And maybe if you do them, actually read the instructions.
Maybe that. The lipstick doesn't look bad. Like, this looks okay.
Mm-hmm.
Looks okay. But, yeah. So, looks sparkly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more videos every Thursday. Go watch our Modesty videos.
They're great.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye. Bye.